Hi, today I'm going to show you how to speed up video in Kdenlive. So for example, if I want to edit this video, I need to drag and drop this video to my timeline, and then the video with audio will be added here. Of course, sometimes you may not want to edit your audio too. So if you want to ungroup it, you need to click right mouse button on it. You need to go to ungroup clips. For example, I will select this audio and I click right mouse button on it and I click delete selected item because I want to edit only the video, yeah? After that, I click on the video, I click right mouse button on it, and I select change speed. On default, of course, it is set to 100%. So if you want to increase the speed, you can change position of this dot to the right side. But if you want to decrease the speed, you need to change position to the left side, yeah? You will see here the preview duration of your video. So for example, I will type here 225% and I click OK button. After that, I click play button, and how you see my video is really quick now. So in this way you can easily speed up your video in Kdenlive. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.